Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 5a, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you wanna just move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, you just should hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side of your screen. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. If you want, you can also remove all of the apps with the folder just in one click. Just hold it and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.